Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduates, electrical graduates. So let us go into the video. Kindly don't skip it up and watch the video fully. It's one of the golden opportunity. Try to grab it up. Today we are going to see biggest company and they are offering 3 to 4 vacancies for various posts. So let us go in. The name of the company is Burn Stove. So just type Burn Stove in Google and just give a job search. You will be getting many results. There you need to choose Burn at Cook Stove Company. Just click it up. So you will be directed to the official website. When you scroll down, left hand side you can see an option called Jobs. Careers. You will be seeing an option called Career. Just click Career and then choose Job. So once you choose job, you will be directed further to this website. So there you need to choose Find Open Jobs. So click find open job. Many job vacancies will be there. The first one is manufacturing engineer. Location they clearly given. Everything is in abroad. So those who are willing to work in abroad can make use of it. So you need to apply on or before 30th June of this month. So once you click it up, you can see here it's a full-time job. Below that you will be having a blue option to apply. So let us see the detail. So it's an engineer non-software one, and those who are interested in energy field can make it up. You need to have experience of 5 to 7 years in this field, and you must have following skills like sheet metal, jigs, fixtures, CAD, etc. So what you need to do is you need to have minimum 3 to 5 years of experience in managing an engineering organization, preferably experience in manual assembly operation, metal stamping and forming, and designing tool for the use of factory production. You must have strong knowledge in mechanical, CAD design, 2D and 3D helpful, preferably. You need to have analytical and problem solving skills using statistical method and direct input from the production. So you need to initially play a role for finding out the direct report. In later on stages, you need to correspondence with the technician, make a report of it. So if you are willing, you just click apply and apply for the job. So they do not charge any fee at any stage of recruitment process like application, interview, meeting, processing, training or any other fee. So kindly have this in your mind. Below that an option will be there. Just click it up and apply. And when you go back, you can see various job opportunities. When you scroll down, you can see an option called view more. Just click on view more. So here you can see many job opportunities. Gently scroll down. You can see an option called maintenance engineer. Just click it up. So here also manufacturing engineers can apply. So same energy and utility 3 to 5 years of experience. So who can apply is those are having mechanical and electrical experience. You can apply. You need to have some technical knowledge, CAD CAM, laser cutting and CNC milling, and you need to focus on problem analysis. So Burn is speaking or seeking a hire for experienced maintenance engineer to join their organization. The ideal person will be responsible for leading a team comprising of maintenance and machining technician. The engineer will also be responsible for management of equipment life cycle, managing the maintenance costs, leading the equipment installation and commissioning. He or she will be required to train the staff on equipment maintenance and proper operating procedure. So they are looking for someone who is interested in working as a dynamic, challenging environment for a company that recognizes the reward creativity, initiative and contributions. So below that you can see an option called apply now. Just click it up. So other duties and responsibilities are you need to lead the team comprising the maintenance and machining technician. You need to develop maintenance procedure. You need to conduct and oversee maintenance process. You need to lead the equipment RCA. You need to ensure the equipment run optionally with minimal downtime and training staff and equipment maintenance. So other skills like you need to have strong engineering background in mechanical and electrical, and you will be a problem solver leading to a lead person in RCA. You need to have experience with tooling, presses and spot welding technology and leadership mentally. So other skills are you need to have a sheet metal background and knowledgeable in tooling and fixtures. So CAD CAM experience especially on the tool part generation. So below you need to have experience in laser cutting and CNC milling too. So below you can have an option for apply. Just click it up. So let us see other job. When you come back, you can see another job called quality assurance technician. Just click on it. So it's a full-time job. You need to apply on or before June 29. So same, those who are interested in energy and utilities can apply, and you need to have experience of 2 to 4 years. So you need to have other skills like Microsoft Office, QMC, process audit, standard compliance, attention to detail, and analytical skills. So Byrne is seeking to hire a quality assurance technician to support quality in standard process and ensure the compliance. The candidate need to work with QC team and manufacturing staff to ensure the inspection and testing procedure are to be implemented and maintained. He or she will assist in developing the standard to meet the quality requirement. So below you can see an option to apply. Just click on apply now. So you need to have a relevant degree in BE or BTech. So other duties like you need to review and revise the testing procedure, you need to conduct inspection and ensure the calibration of jigs, tools and equipment. You need to advertise and procedures to improve the specification. You need to ensure the updating the latest copy of specification sheet, drawings and etc. You need to identify supplier quality issue and correct action need to be implemented. So you need to have bachelor degree in relevant field and minimum 1 to 2 years of experience is required in manufacturing industry and excellent attention on Microsoft skills has to be updated and you must be well versed. You need to have experience in conducting process audit under QMC will be an added advantage. So just click apply now. So once you click apply now, you need to agree to all the document, all the statement which they give. So you need to fill your full name, mail ID and you need to enter. If not also you can sign in using your LinkedIn or Gmail profile or else just create a new account. Okay, give all your basic detail and create a new account and then apply for the job. They will be contacting or intimating you through your registered mail ID and registered mobile number for further process. If you like this video means put a like and share the video to mechanical and electrical graduates. They will be making the best use of it. Kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to job seekers. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Stay tuned with Mechanical Motivator. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.